Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the setup process for the Blink Mini Compact Indoor Smart Security Camera. Despite its small size, this camera packs a punch with its robust security features. Follow along as we walk you through each step to get your home security up and running smoothly. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the Blink Mini. Inside the box, you'll find the Blink Mini camera itself, a power adapter, a USB cable, and a quick start guide. Make sure all the contents are there before proceeding with the installation. Next, take the USB cable and plug one end into the back of the camera and the other end into the power adapter. Then, plug the adapter into a nearby power outlet. You should see a blinking blue light, indicating that the camera is powered on. Next, pick up your smartphone and navigate to either the App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Blink Home Monitor and download the app. This app will be essential for configuring and managing your Blink Mini camera. After the app is installed, open it up. If you already have a Blink account, simply log in. If you're new to Blink, take a moment to create a new account by following the on-screen prompts to set up your credentials. After successfully logging in, locate the plus icon at the top right corner of the app's home screen and tap it. This will allow you to add a new device. From the list of available options, select Blink Mini to begin the setup process. The app will then prompt you to scan a QR code, which can be found either on the back of your Blink Mini camera or inside the packaging. Simply use your phone's camera to scan the code, and the app will automatically proceed with the setup. After scanning the QR code, the app will guide you through connecting the Blink Mini to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you are using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, as the Blink Mini does not support 5 GHz. Select your network and enter the password to connect. Once connected to Wi-Fi, decide where you want to place your Blink Mini camera. It can be placed on any flat surface or mounted on the wall using the included stand. Adjust the camera to the desired angle to ensure it covers the area you want to monitor. After placing the camera, go back to the Blink app. From here, you can access the camera's live view, adjust motion detection settings, and even set up notifications to alert you when motion is detected. Play around with these settings to suit your home security needs. To complete the setup process, perform a quick test by walking in front of the camera. This will allow you to check both the motion detection functionality and the image quality. Ensure that the camera captures movement accurately and delivers clear video footage. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experts is ready to help. You can reach out to them at 323-471-3045 for support. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. And that's how you set up your Blink Mini Compact Indoor Smart Security Camera. If this video helped you, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.